Keep things super simple, alright? Don't overcomplicate it. This is what everybody does. They try to be too complex. And they fuck shit up and get nowhere. I used to call this Dinny science. When I ran my fitness business, I used to explain, the complex processes that are going on a cellular level, or a mitochondrial level, or the hormonal level to people. I used to make it just super simple. Call it Dinny science so people could absorb. Here's a bit of Dinny science. Who do you trust with your money? Your purchasing power. Now, money is a relative term. Money can mean many different things. Most people don't know what money is. But who do you trust? The most powerful man in the world who dictates the value of all global money came out in a meeting yesterday, said the banking sector is fine. That evening, another bank goes insolvent. That's the people you're trusting with your future purchasing power. I trust maths and code. Okay? I trust the same rules to make the sun rise in the morning. Who's the idiot? Okay, I get this. It gets better. It gets better. Alright, this is fiat world, clown world. The president of the bank that just failed, after the head of the Federal Reserve said everything was fine, he was actually a director at the Federal Reserve. Like, these are the people you're trusted with your future. Oh my God. Go and ask your financial advisor what you should do. He'll make sure you stay poor. If you really want to understand where the future's going and how to protect your wealth, consider doing a consultation with me. Or just study this thing for 10,000 hours and it'll be plain as day. Okay. John made a mistake. But this is his first mistake. Because we all make mistakes. I make mistakes. Come on. But my mistakes don't bankrupt millions of people. Alright? My mistakes don't cause a wealth transfer to pass all the wealth from the middle class and the poor to the 1%. They don't. But it's not his first mistake. Because first he decided to lower interest rates. Pulled them down. Said they're going to stay down to 2025 or something. That's how all the banks got in position. That's how they're all going bankrupt. Because they took that information. Well, he knows what he's talking about. So if he says he's going to do it, he's going to do that. Alright? Now they're all caught in bad positions. And that's why they're going insolvent. That's why many more will go insolvent. Watch! I'll be on telling yous. Okay? Next thing. So that was his mistake. Said they're going to stay low. Then decide to raise interest rates. Next mistake. Inflation. Oh, inflation's not a problem. There'll be no inflation. Then when there was inflation, inflation's transitory, meaning it's not going to last. 2 years later, and we're still trying to fix that. 2 years later, and we're still trying to fix the inflation problem. Now the inflation is coming down. Alright, so how many mistakes is that? 2 or 3? I can't remember now. Alright, now we've been raising interest rates. Raising them so much that the banking system is failing. All the regional banks are going bust. Conspiracy theorists will tell you this is by design. You couldn't really argue that with them. That will allow them to roll out their central bank digital currencies a lot easier. Because rather than having to do it to thousands of banks, there's only a few banks left, all the too big to fails. So, now that we're raising interest rates, the problem is that we put ourselves into not just a recession, but the possibility of an absolute depression. Let's see. They fucked shit up on the way down with the interest rates. They fucked it up with the inflation. And now they've probably fucked it up by raising the interest rates up too high for too long. Make sure you watch my video on YouTube because that teaches you how to protect yourself. Don't trust these clowns.